Hello, this is your gentle farmer, Edu Abibio. There is always bad perception when it comes to the northern part of Ghana. But I can tell you, there are good things over there. If you want to go into animal farming, the northern part is a very good place to invest. If you want land in large quantity. Who told you that poultry cannot do well in the northern part? Kindly listen to this.
I am Sarah Banyoko from the Upper West region. This is my flock. This is my flock. I always buy point of lay beds. I think this is my second time I am keeping the fowls. I believe if I'm given the 50-day-old chicks, I'll be able to keep them for experience in raising them to the period where they'll be able to go into the cages. I believe it will give me a learning experience as I try with the day-old chicks. So please consider me for the birds. Thank you.